Happy morning, children. Valga Valamudan. Yes, last week we discussed about the Harappan civilization. That means the earliest city. Okay, that city was built before 4,000 years ago. Okay, why we saying means 4,000 years ago itself, people lived a good civilized life. Okay, good civilized lifestyle they practiced. Okay, every houses have the bathing area, a good drainage system maintained in those areas, granary system they maintained, they built the great bath. Okay, every houses have the interlocking, that walls are interlocking pattern they maintained, and also the baked bricks that still after this many years still it was strong. Okay, still it is strong. So baked brick, everything. Okay, where is this, that Harappan civilization? It is flourished in the bank of Indus river. Okay, in the bank of Indus river. Okay, so people saying this Harappan civilization is otherwise called as Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so last session you saw about the city. Okay, I'll closer look to the city and the drainage system. Okay, this two you saw in the previous sessions. Today you're going to see about the life in the city, new crafts in the city. Okay, what was the lifestyle they practiced, and the craft item what they made, how they made, from where they get the raw material, everything. Okay, so life in the city, the first you see the life in the city. Already we saw the city, how well developed, how they built. Okay, houses, the model of houses, even the kitchen, bathing area, everything we saw. So what the historian says, that people as well as the rulers were very busy to plan the city. Okay, to looking into planning, probably they were very busy planning how they, yes, of course, if we want to build a house, surely we need to plan first. Okay, so here historians assumed that people were well planned, so they were engaged in the planning, and also they are doing lot of craft works also. Okay, yes, a large amount, the things that archaeologists got a large amount of evidences, things, that artifacts they got. Okay, what and all we'll see. First you see gold and silver ornaments and most valuable objects brought by people from distant lands. Okay, here the kings, the rulers send the people to the distant lands for brought the raw materials such as gold and silver. Why means there is no evidence of taking the gold and silver in their place itself. Okay, so what the historians believed, maybe the rulers sent the people to the distant places to bring the gold and silver. Okay, they used that gold and silver and they making most ornaments and also most valuable objects, stones, gems, these likes also they are bringing from the distant lands. Okay, so the discovered providing that the people of this civilization knew of art, knew of to making the jewels. Okay, that here the historians says. Okay, saying gold and silver ornaments, and they are not bringing ornaments, they bring the gold, silver and valuable objects from the distant land. The rulers send these people to the distant land, they brought these things and they make in their own place the ornaments from the gold and silver. Okay, and also they used the most valuable objects. Then people that travelled to distant lands and returned with the raw materials and also stories. Stories means Probably if we are going to the another place, surely we will learn some new things in those areas, about that areas. Okay, so here they are saying stories also they brought. So the people sent by the rulers to the distant lands. Here the picture you see, they are having the in that Indus river, they used the boat and everything for the traveling to the another continent or another places, and they taken the raw materials with them. Okay, for making the ornaments and other things. Okay children. Then here you see, there were men and women, craft persons. They made all kinds of things either in their homes or in special workshops. What are the ornaments, weapons, tools and vessels, everything they made. Okay, so how they made? They used the raw materials, they made it in their homes or in some other special places. That special place is called workshops. Okay, that special place is called workshops. This shows that crafts were important in the civilization, and people who made these crafts might have used them in their daily life. Okay, yes children, you know, first you saw about the people, gold and silver ornaments, and also most valuable things done by them. Okay, gold and silver ornaments did by them, but the raw materials brought by the people from the outside. Okay, from the distant land. So what we came to know, the rulers sent the people, common people, to the distant land, and they returned with the raw materials to do the gold and the silver ornaments, and also the most valuable things they add, most valuable objects they added in the ornaments. And the craft, the second one is craft. There were men and women craft persons. They all made a lot of kinds, weapons, vessels, tools, ornaments, everything they made in their homes or in a special place. That place is called workshops. Okay, we know from this the people how they were very interested. Okay, we see that drainage system itself, we know how they were well developed knowledge. Okay, they have skilled persons, everybody. So here also from this we can know the civilization gives more important made these craft items. If you are seeing here, in the later you can see the gold ornaments and everything. Okay, then the another one, the amazing thing, that most important thing also, that large number of seals. Seals means what? That we are saying seals, rubber stamp. Yes, no, we want to get seal from the office. Okay, school seal, you say no, like that seals. Okay, seals means stamped, marked. Okay, that is the authorized mark. Seals means that is the authorized mark. Here you can see a lot of seals have been discovered at various Harappan sites. Scribes, the people who know to read and write, they helped to prepare these seals. From this what we can know? Because in the seals, a square or a rectangular shaped seals, that seals made in the metal as well as in the clay. Okay, so this seals have been found number of seals in those areas. Maybe these seals they used like a money, coin, or authorized document, or what maybe the traders used to sell and buy the things from using this seal. Who know? Because we can't read this script. Okay, because this is before invention of writing, this civilization flourished. So we can't know what they inscribed in the seal. Okay. Yes. Then most of these seals carry short inscriptions. If you see in that pictographies, pictures are found in that seals. Okay. So most of these seals carry short inscriptions along with carved images. Carved means we know. These inscriptions help us to know that people of the civilizations knew how to read and write, had a script of their own. So they have their own language they using. Maybe the pictographic. This pictograph still be used in some places on the earth world. Okay. So before 4700 years itself, people used the pictographic letters. Okay. They used their own letters or language. So from this we came to know the people in the civilizations know to read and write. Okay. Yes children, till this we know the lifestyle of the people. What was the lifestyle? The people were very busy. The Harappa city was very busy city because the people doing a lot of activities everyday life, and they were very good planners. From the city planning itself we know, because they were very good planners. They were very busy in their planning their city. Okay. And how to build everything, baking, even the baking bricks, that also a type of occupation for them. So they are doing that, and then they are doing the gold and the silver ornaments. They added the valuable objects in that. These things, that means the gold and the silver brought from the distant land. The rulers send the people to the distant land, and they may have brought the raw materials. Why? Means there is no places or evidences to find the gold or silver in those areas. So historians believed gold and the silvers brought by the people from the distant lands. Okay. And then you can see we can found lot of seals in those areas. Okay. Seals in those areas. Wait children, a small mistake. Wait. Okay. So more that seals says as that may be a authorized document, or they used as a coin, or they used as a money. Traders used as a trademark for a lot of purpose. Okay. And there is a pictographic pictures also in carved in that, images carved in the seals. From that we came to know the people of the civilization, that is the Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization, knew how to read and write. Okay. Yes children, till this enough. We will continue in the next 15 minutes. Please wait children.